Namaskar. In this video, we will see rule of exception in head neck face. The head neck face region consists of many muscle groups like muscles of mastication, muscles of tongue, muscles of palate, muscles of larynx, muscles of pharynx, and the infrahyoid group of muscles. The muscles of mastication is a group of four muscles, that is masseter, temporalis, lateral pterygoid and medial pterygoid. All muscles of mastication are supplied by the anterior division of mandibular nerve. The mandibular nerve passes through foramen ovale and then divides into two divisions, anterior division and posterior division. All muscles of mastication are supplied by the anterior division of mandibular nerve except medial pterygoid muscle. The medial pterygoid is supplied by main trunk of mandibular nerve, and that branch is called as nerve to medial pterygoid. The nerve to medial pterygoid is branched from main trunk of mandibular nerve. It passes through otic ganglion and supplies three muscles, the tensor tympani, tensor palati and medial pterygoid. So mandibular nerve, after passing through foramen ovale, enters in infratemporal fossa and then divides into two divisions, the anterior division and posterior division. All branches of anterior division of mandibular nerve supply the muscles of mastication except the buccal branch. The buccal branch pierces the buccinator muscle, but it does not supply buccinator. It supplies the skin covering the buccinator and the mucous membrane lining the buccinator. The anterior division of mandibular nerve supply three muscles of mastication. Masseteric branch supply the masseter. The deep temporal branches supplies temporalis, and nerve to lateral pterygoid supply lateral pterygoid muscle. But the buccal branch is sensory. So all branches from anterior division of mandibular nerve are motor except the buccal branch. Buccal branch is sensory. The muscles of mastication acts on temporomandibular joint and they causes movement of mandible. All muscles of mastication are elevators of mandible except lateral pterygoid muscle. Lateral pterygoid is the only muscle of mastication which is depressor of mandible. All muscles of mastication are retractors of mandible except temporalis. The posterior fibers of temporalis are retractor of mandible. The muscles of tongue includes four intrinsic and four extrinsic muscles on either side. These are skeletal muscles. All muscles of tongue are supplied by hypoglossal nerve because muscles of tongue are derived from occipital myotomes. All muscles of tongue are supplied by hypoglossal nerve except palatoglossus. Palatoglossus is exception. Palatoglossus muscle is supplied by cranial accessory via the pharyngeal plexus. Muscles of palate means muscles of soft palate. The soft palate on either side consists of five muscles: the levator palati, tensor palati, musculus uvuli, palatoglossus and palatopharyngeus. All muscles of palate are supplied by cranial accessory via the pharyngeal plexus except tensor palati. The tensor palati muscle is supplied by nerve to medial pterygoid. Nerve to medial pterygoid is branch of main trunk of mandibular nerve. The nerve to medial pterygoid passes through otic ganglion and supplies three muscles, the tensor palatii, tensor tympani and medial pterygoid. Muscles of larynx means the intrinsic muscles of larynx, and all muscles of larynx are supplied by recurrent laryngeal nerve except cricothyroid. Cricothyroid is tensor of vocal cord. The cricothyroid muscle is supplied by external laryngeal nerve. The external laryngeal nerve is branch of superior laryngeal nerve, which is branch of vagus. The pharynx consists of circular muscles and longitudinal muscles. The circular muscles are called as constrictors. They are three in number: superior constrictor, middle constrictor, inferior constrictor. The longitudinal muscles also consist of three muscles. These are salpingopharyngeus, palatopharyngeus and stylopharyngeus. All muscles of pharynx are supplied by cranial accessory via the pharyngeal plexus except stylopharyngeus. Stylopharyngeus is supplied by ninth cranial nerve, that is glossopharyngeal nerve. Stylopharyngeus is a muscle of third pharyngeal arch. Hence, it is supplied by nerve of third arch, that is glossopharyngeal nerve. The infrahyoid muscles is a group of muscles which are present below the hyoid bone. They are present on either side of the midline. Two superficial muscles and two deep muscles. The superficial muscles are sternohyoid, superior belly of omohyoid. The deep muscles are the sternothyroid and thyrohyoid. All infrahyoid muscles are supplied by ansa cervicalis except thyrohyoid. Thyrohyoid is supplied by 12th nerve, hypoglossal nerve, but the fibers are coming from ventral ramus of C1, first cervical spinal nerve. Maxillary artery is the terminal branch of external carotid artery. For description, we can divide it into three parts in relation to lateral pterygoid muscle. These three parts are first part, second part and third part. All branches from the first and third part pass through various foramens except branches from second part. Branches from second part supply the muscles. Means all branches from second part are muscular. All branches from second part supply muscles of mastication except the buccal branch. The buccal branch supplies buccinator muscle. So buccinator muscle gets the arterial supply from buccal branch, buccal artery, which is branched from second part of maxillary artery. Buccinator muscle is pierced by the buccal branch of mandibular nerve, which is sensory, and the buccinator muscle is supplied by the buccal branch of facial nerve. So buccinator is a muscle of second pharyngeal arch. It is a muscle of face, but it is not a muscle of facial expression. Buccinator helps in mastication. It pushes the food from the vestibule into the oral cavity proper. But buccinator muscle is not a muscle of mastication. The buccinator muscle is pierced by the buccal branch of mandibular nerve, but it is supplied by buccal branch of facial nerve.